Okay, so now what we're going to do is show you the tools. It's the Stanley knife or the utility knife, a circle cutter, your scissors. You're going to need a bone knife or a bone creaser, a pencil or a pen, your foam roller, a paintbrush, clamps. Use about 6. Masking tape, a spray bottle with water, and your damp cloth. And now what he's going to do is mix the glue to the consistency it needs to be, just by adding a little bit of water. Spray bottle. And mix it up with a paintbrush. All the material is ready, boards, paper. And the first process is to measure and cut out the inner and outer board using board 1. So you'll be referring to your pattern, and the inner board will measure 311 millimeters by 100 millimeters. And then using the inner board, as a guide, you can measure and cut out the outer board. Again, the outer board is made and cut from board 1. Great. And now spray with water. This is going to make the cylinder pliable to roll. Or should I say the board will become pliable to roll into a cylinder. Use a clamp on one side, oops, and a clamp on the other side, and set it aside. Second board, roll it up to a cylinder, apply your clamps, top and bottom, and set aside for the cylinders to dry. Your damp cloth at hand just to keep your area clean. And here we are using our cutting board as well underneath all the boards. Right, now